What is up, everybody? So today, as you guys just saw, there is a new car for Nameless Co, and this is actually my new daily. In fact, I just picked this Volvo V70R up recently for right around $5,000. Has roughly 140,000 miles on it. It's a straight 5-cylinder with a turbo, 2.5 liter. It's a 6-speed manual. It has Brembo's stock. What else does it have? It has this cool little European, or I guess Swedish, spoiler on the back. I keep forgetting that Volvo is actually a Swedish company, not a German company, just because of all the BMW stuff that we do. But yeah, so this is my new daily. We're gonna walk around the car and talk a little bit about it, because there's a lot of cool features that this thing has, and it's gonna make for a really awesome daily and a really fun car to, you know, take wherever I want to take, go ride mountain bikes with it, go up to the snow, have some fun up there. So let's get into it and start talking about some of the cool facts. So as you guys can see, it sits 5 pretty comfortably. I mean, I guess you could put some people in the trunk if you wanted to. But starting off with the interior, pretty basic interior, nothing too fancy. It has this nice blue leather here with the blue leather on the side door panels, which is really nice. Just looking at the dash, it's very, very simple. You got your AC, your heat, it has heated seats. It has active chassis settings, so you got comfort mode for the suspension, you got sport mode if you want, or advanced. I don't know why you'd use sport. I just would go from comfort to advanced, but that suspension's actually pretty clapped. I don't notice a big difference in terms of comfort and advanced, but when you're cornering the car pretty hard, I guess you would notice a bit of a difference. But as you guys can see, 6-speed manual, like I said before. Really weird gearbox. It's actually quite different from most of the other manual cars that I've been in. Doesn't have a shift boot, pretty plasticky. It actually looks like an automatic at first glance if you happen to look in the car or get in the car for the first time. And then on the dash, we'll put up a quick video of me revving right now. As you guys can see, it goes up to 160. It revs to about 7,500 RPM or I guess right around 7,000 RPM. It's cool because it's blue and it gives it that cool sporty feel. But other than that, that's pretty much it for the interior of this car. Pretty basic, nothing too crazy. You know, it's from 2004, so I don't expect it to be anything modern like. But so far, I mean, I love the car. The seats are insanely comfortable. Probably one of the most comfortable seats I've ever been in. And now we're going to talk about some of the performance specs on the car. 2.5 liter straight cut. 2.5 liter 5-cylinder single turbo makes about 296 horsepower and I think around 290 something foot-pounds of torque. You know, I don't really notice it being a car that, or I wouldn't really see it being a car that's gonna make a lot of power. I know people tune the crap out of these cars, but because it's my daily, I pretty much want to keep it stock, not really, you know, do a ton of mods to it performance-wise. You know, maybe I'll get an intake and do a catless downpipe, but other than that, that really might just be it for performance. I'm not gonna upgrade the turbo. I'm not gonna, you know, push crazy boost with it because that's not really what I want the car to do. On the back of the car, it has an IPD exhaust system, which sounds amazing under load, and especially when you let off, it'll kind of burble a little bit, give it some backfires. And you know, the car just has a really good presence. It's not overly obnoxious for the exhaust sound, but it's kind of just right where you want it. And then coming to the side of the car, as you guys saw probably in another shot, it has Brembo brakes all around. What's really cool is that this car came stock with Brembos. You know, a lot of wagons in this era didn't come stock with Brembos. You know, most people in this era were gonna be buying B5s and B6s S4 Avants, which is kind of one of the reasons why Volvo didn't make a ton of these cars. You know, they only made 3,400 of them in the whole 2004 to 2007 span that this car was made. And in 2004, they made 1,200 of them. And I'm pretty sure out of that 1,200, there weren't really too many of them being manual. I don't know the exact number, but I know it's somewhere pretty low. But other than that, you know, I mean, it's all-wheel drive, Haldex all-wheel drive. The clutch was just done. You know, there's not really a lot more I'd want to ask for on this car in terms of it being done. You know, like there's little things I'm gonna repair, like weather trim and, you know, touch up paint here and there, but other than that, that's gonna be the new daily. So you guys might be seeing some cool content with this car in the future. Maybe we'll do some quick little, you know, mini how-tos or just some reviews on the car. But other than that, thanks for watching this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Follow us on Instagram at Nameless Co 96, and we'll catch you guys in the next video. Have a great day.